Hello guys, you're welcome once again to this video, and if today is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome, and please do to subscribe, like this video, and also share this opportunity to your friends and family. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to retrieve your 2026 DV lottery confirmation number if you apply or if you submitted or if you register for the DV Lottery 2026 and you have lost your confirmation number. In this video, this is what I'm going to show you guys. If today happens to be your first time, you are welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, please, thank you for always supporting this channel. If you're looking for standard CV and cover letter for your job application, kindly check the tag product in this video or check the description of this video, and I'll be able to get you a copy from my shop. You can also check the tag product in this video, and you'll be able to get it from the shop link to this YouTube channel. So you have no problem with it. So you can order your CV and your cover letter from iTech. Now, without wasting much of your time, now if you check here, you will see. Now, if you check here, this is what I'm going to see. We have the entrant information here, and if you scroll down, you will see forgot confirmation number. So this is where you can retrieve back your confirmation number. So if you have forgotten your confirmation number, this is what you need to do, and you need to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to know how to retrieve or how to recover your confirmation number back. So what you have to do is to just tap on this forgot confirmation number, and you just wait for a few seconds depending on the network that you are using. Mine is slow. Okay, so this is how it is. You have verify entrance. So to retrieve a confirmation number, the primary entrance information must be what verified. So diversity visa program year 2025. Okay, so we are looking at, let's say this is how you are going to see it. Okay, now if you scroll down here, you see your name. Now these are the information that you need to provide when you are going to retrieve or recover your confirmation number. Now the first thing is to enter your last or family name. So let's say I am Isaac Asari, so I'll tap Asari as my family name, and then I'll scroll down and I'll tap my first name, which is Isaac, which is my first name. Then after that, you enter your middle name if you have a middle name, but you don't have middle name, you just state no middle name, and then you scroll down, and here date of birth, you need to state your date of birth, but here you are going to state the month, day and year. Take note of that, month, day and year. So if you were born in September let's say 25th 1986, you need to enter it just like this. So the 09/25 1986, and this is how you are supposed to write it. And then the next thing is to enter your email address. Take note, the email address should be the one that you use for the registration. So you enter the email address here. Now after entering the email address, what you have to do is just scroll down, and they will give you authentication code. Just enter the authentication code as it is. If it is capital, make it capital, small, and then the numbers should be numbers. After that, you get submit, and they will send you your confirmation number so that you can check your DV Lottery 2026 result. If you want to know how to check it, the video is on this channel, so you can just go through the videos, and also pin it in the video description so that you can also go and check it and watch that. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.